Geography of Maharashtra state. India is a land of diversities in the planet Earth. The geography of India is an essential subject to be studied by every citizen of the country. As a nation, India occupies a significant position in the world. It is a country known for its unique culture, history, heritage, natural resources and human capital. India is a union of states. Each part of India is unique in its geography, culture, language and socio-economic conditions. Maharashtra is one of the prominent states in India. The main objective of learning this lesson is to know about its geographic setting, people, governance and its contribution for the country. In this lesson, the following aspects of Maharashtra are highlighted: the physiographic setting, the climate, rainfall and land cover, the administrative divisions and population, economic resources and contributions, culture, tourism and unique features of the state as a whole. Geographic location and area. The state of Maharashtra lies on the west coast of India. Maharashtra lies between 18 degrees 30 minutes and 22 degrees north latitude, 72 degrees 30 minutes and 81 degrees 15 minutes east longitude. Physiography. Following are the physical features of Maharashtra. Sahyadri mountains occupy the west of the state and Bharamghat, Chiroli, Gaikuri ranges lie on the east. These mountain ranges act as a natural barrier. Satpura hills lie along the north. To the west of Sahyadri hills lay the Konkan coastal plains. To the east of the Ghats lie the flat Deccan plateau. Northwestern region is occupied by Khandesh in valley of river Tapi. Rivers. The Godavari river. Godavari forms one of the largest river basins in the country. It originates near Trayambak in Nasik district in Maharashtra, flows across Deccan Plateau and ends in Bay of Bengal in Andhra Pradesh. It is the second longest river in the country. Asia's largest lift irrigation project, the Vishnupuri Prakalp, has been constructed on the river at a distance of 5 km from the city of Nanded. The Krishna River. It originates at Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra, flows through Karnataka and meets Bay of Bengal in Andhra Pradesh. The delta formed by this river is one of the most fertile lands in the country. The Tapi River. This river is also known as Tapi. It is one of the major rivers in the country. The river has its origin in the Satpura ranges, flows west draining Nimar of Madhya Pradesh and enters Khandesh in Maharashtra, after which it enters into South Gujarat and ends in Arabian Sea at Gulf of Cambay. The lakes of Maharashtra are: Thane city has been named as City of Lakes as it has 30 lakes. Apart from this, the state owns a number of lakes. The Talab Pali lake is the most beautiful lake of the state. Boating is one recreational activity in the state. The Upwan lake, which is located in Thane, is the second most important lake of the city. The lake belongs to a pollution-free zone. The Rankala lake in Kolhapur is considered to be the oldest of all the lakes in Maharashtra. In Hindu mythology, it is believed that there is a golden temple submerged under the temple of Ramka Bhairav, which lies at the center of the lake. The Ramkund lake is situated in Nasik. There is a mythological belief that during their exile, Lord Rama and Shiva took bath in this lake. Other than these, the other lakes in the state are as follows: the Ambazari lake, the Koyna reservoir, Lonar lake, Pashan lake, Tansa lake, Venna lake and the Vihar and Powai lake. Establishment. Post-independence, the state of Maharashtra has seen a number of political changes. Earlier, Gujarat and Hyderabad were united with Bombay state, but later in 1960, the modern state of Maharashtra came into existence. Mumbai was recognized as the state's capital city and Gujarat was given legal separation from the state. Climate. The state experiences monsoon climate. Summers are hot and winters are cold and dry but with a pleasant weather. Dew, frost and hail happen occasionally. Winter season is between January and February. Summer follows in the months of March, April and May. Thunderstorms occur all over the state during April and May. Temperature varies between 22 to 39 degrees Celsius during this season. July is the wettest month in Maharashtra. Monsoon starts to retreat in September. Temperature varies between 12 to 34 degrees Celsius during winter season. Thane, Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg districts of Maharashtra receive heavy rains of an average of 200 centimeters annually. Rainfall particularly concentrates to the Konkan and Sahyadrian Maharashtra. Central Maharashtra receives less rainfall. Geology. The state is composed of rocks commencing from the most ancient rocks of diverse origin which have undergone considerable metamorphism. Over these ancient rocks of Precambrian era lie a few basins of Proterozoic era and of Carboniferous periods which are covered by extensive sheets of horizontally bedded lava flows comprising the Deccan Trap. More than 80% area of the state is covered by these Deccan Trap which have concealed geologically older formations. The most important economic minerals such as coal, iron ore, manganese ore, limestone, etc. are found in the geologically older formations. Minerals. The important minerals occurring in the state are coal, iron ore, manganese, limestone, bauxite, dolomite, silica sand, kyanite and sillimanite. The other minerals occurring are barytes, ilmenite, clay, feldspar, copper, chromite, graphite, fluorite, tungsten, etc. Soils. Black basalt soil is found in Deccan Plateau. This type of soil is rich in humus and it is best suited for cultivation of cotton. Crystalline rocks and saline soils make the soil infertile in the Wardha-Wainganga river valley. A major advantage of this type of soil is that it can retain moisture and also very reactive to irrigation. Natural vegetation. Maharashtra has huge diversity of fauna and flora. The state has many high mountain ranges and forest covers. Most of the forest area is found in Sahyadri ranges. There are 3 game reserves, 5 national parks and 24 bird sanctuaries. The Dokna-Kolkhas forest of Maharashtra is known for its excellent wildlife that includes flying squirrels, tigers, antelope and lots more. The Nagzira Wildlife Sanctuary is also a famous sanctuary to explore panthers, sloth bear, birds, etc. The Navegaon National Park, which is the most visited and beautiful park of Maharashtra. The Tadoba National Park is also a beautiful park housing ducks and waterfowls and explored by the tourists. The Karnala Bird Sanctuary is famous for bird watching. Some of the most visited national parks include Chaprala Wildlife Sanctuary, Tippeshwar, Tadoba National Park, Navegaon National Park, Chikaldara, Dajipur, Baramraghad Wildlife Sanctuary, Bor Wildlife Sanctuary and many more. Flora of Maharashtra. The national parks of Maharashtra are full of variety of plant species that include jamun, palas, shisam, kate sevar, neem, teak, davda, kalam, saja, bija, shirish, mango, Kadamba, Moha, Acacia species, Terminalia species, Ficus species and many more. Administration. Maharashtra is the second most populated state in the country. Mumbai is the capital of the state. Maharashtra is also known as the financial head of the country. The state is divided into 35 districts. Chief languages. The official language is Marathi. However, Hindi and Marathi is the chief languages spoken in Maharashtra. Konkani is also spoken in some parts of the state. Urdu is spoken by Muslims. Population. Maharashtra stands as the second most populous state with a population of 11 crores 23 lakhs 74,333, of which females are 5 crores 41 lakhs 31,277 and males are 5 crores 82 lakhs 43,056. The growth rate is around 16%. Maharashtra is home to indigenous tribal Adivasis such as Takar, Warli, Konkana and Halba. The population density is 365 per square kilometers. The sex ratio is 929 for 1000 males. Literacy rate. Literacy rate in Maharashtra has been upward trend and is 82.34% as per 2011 population census. Of that, male literacy stands at 88.38% while female literacy is at 69.87%. Economy. Maharashtra is the wealthiest state in the country. It holds leading position in industrial sector. Mumbai is the financial capital of the country. The state also leads in small scale industry. The state's per income is 40% more than all India average. The gross state domestic product at current prices for 2011 and 12 is estimated at 11,99,548 crore and contributes about 14.4% of the GDP. In 2012, Maharashtra reported a revenue surplus of 1,524.9 million with a total revenue of 13,67,117 million and a spending of 13,65,592.1 million. The state ensures reliable profit which welcomes investors from both national and international levels. Maharashtra contributes 18% of the country's industrial output. Industries. The industries in Maharashtra include chemical and chemical products, food and food products, refined petroleum products, machinery and equipment, textiles, basic metals, motor vehicles and furniture. The agriculture and allied activities sector contributes 12.9% to the state's income. The state's share in livestock and poultry population in India is about 7% and 10% respectively. Agriculture. Many people depend on agriculture for their livelihood. Both food crops and cash crops are grown in the state. The main food crops of Maharashtra are wheat, rice, jowar, bajra and pulses. Cash crops include groundnut, cotton, sugarcane, turmeric and tobacco. Fruits grown in the state are the Nagpur oranges, the Alfonso mangoes and the grapes of Nasik. To lessen the dependence on rainfall, which is an important problem, irrigation facilities have been extended to a considerable level on the agricultural lands. Power generation. Maharashtra Power Generation Corporation takes care of power generation and distribution in the state. Mahagenco has an installed capacity of 10,737 megawatt, of which nearly 70% comprises of thermal capacity, one gas-based generating station at Uran installed capacity of 672 megawatt. The hydroelectric projects in the state of Maharashtra were designed, erected and commissioned through the Water Resource Department of Government of Maharashtra and handed over to Mahagenco for purpose of operation and maintenance. Presently, there are 27 hydel projects having a capacity of 2585 megawatts. Culture. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja is considered as historical hero of the Marathi people. People take great pride of their language and history. There are many ancient temples in Maharashtra which is built in a fusion of architecture of both north and south. There is a flow of faith between three religions, Hindus, Buddhists and Jains. This is seen in many of the art forms in temples, caves and other ancient relics. Women traditionally dress in a 9-yard or 5-yard sari and men wear dhoti and pajama with a shirt. However, urban women wear salwar and kurta and men dress in shirt and trousers. Cuisine. Marathi cuisine primarily consists of rice and chapati. Food is served on a plate called thali. Thali consists of a plate with many bowls. Rice is placed in the center of plate while other dishes are served in the bowls. Each of these dishes have to be placed in specific positions. The food is most mild to spicy in taste. Popular dishes are Puran Poli, Ukdichev Modak, Batata Vada, Gadichi Poli or Chapati and Bakri. Non-vegetarian dishes mainly use chicken, mutton, fish and other seafood. Music and dance. Music is presented with a theme such as musical genre, nationality, locality or holiday. Folk music has its own identity. Gondhal, Lavani, Barud and Povada are famous in rural area. Compositions from Bhavarta, Deepika are used in classical music. Sant Tukaram, Sant Namdev, Sant Gora Kumbhar are other poetic compositions used for singing bhajans. Marathis exhibit different dance forms. Povada is a dance form that showcases the lifetime achievements of the Maratha ruler Shivaji Maharaja. Povada is performed for Marathi ballads. Lavani and Koli dance forms entertain the Maharashtrian and its mesmerizing music and rhythmic movements. Koli is performed by the fisherman folk and Lavani, which means beauty, deals with dances depicting society, religion, politics, romance, etc. Dangri Gaja dance from Sholapur is dance form which pays respect to their god, danced by the Dangars. This dance adores the beauty of nature. Dindi and Kala are the religious folk dances performed on the occasion of Mangala Gauri Puja. It expresses religious ecstasy of Lord Krishna. Tamasha, which means fun and entertainment, is a folk dance that is so popular all over the state. Places of interest. Maharashtra has a number of tourist spots which attract tourists from all over the corners from the world. Aurangabad is declared as the tourism capital of the state. Tourist spots in a few cities have been highlighted in the following paragraphs. Mumbai. Mumbai is a city considered on par with New York City and Los Angeles. It is not only the financial capital but also known for round-the-clock entertainment activities. Haji Ali Dargah, found in Arabian Sea, away from the coastline, is a wonder to watch and visit. Gateway of India, Bandra Worli Sea Link, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus are places one must definitely go around. Girgaon Chowpatty Beach, downtown Mumbai, Mad Island Beach, Elephant Caves, ferries on the sea, luxurious hotels, public transport system and many more has made Mumbai as a popular tourist destination. Pune. Pune is referred to as the cultural capital of the state. Pune houses the historical 17th century forts and the residence of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja. Parvati Temple, Chaturshringi Temple, Pataleshwar Temple occupy a regular place on the tourists' agenda. Osho Ashram, located in Pune, has attracted many devotees from all over the world. Aurangabad. Ajanta and Ellora caves lie on the outskirts of the city. Bibi Ka Maqbara, Daulatabad Fort, Panchaki, Sunheri Mahal are places worth visiting in Aurangabad. Nanded. Nanded is a religious place of the Sikhs. Hazur Sahib Nanded Gurudwara, a famous Sikh palace, is a sacred place to visit. Nanded is also the holy place for Hindus as it has Renuka Devi Shakti Pita temple at Mahur. Nagpur. This is the winter capital of the state. Country's best varieties of oranges are grown here traditionally. There is a beautiful stupa as Diksha Bhumi. Another important place to visit is Tekdi Ganesh Mandir on Sita Bulli Fort Complex. Maharaj Bagh Zoo, Futala Lake, Chowpatty, Nasik. Nasik is believed to be the place where Lord Rama spent 14 years of exile. Triambakeshwar near Nasik is a place where river Godavari originates. Nasik is popularly known as the Grape City. Sai Baba temple, located near Nasik in Shirdi, is where a number of devotees throng to worship Sai Baba, a saint with immense healing powers. Satara. Mahabaleshwar, Vai Panchgani are famous tourist spots in Satara. Adventure tourism. Maharashtra offers adventurous activities all round the year for tourists who would like to have an adventurous tour. Paragliding, rock climbing, scuba diving, trekking, canoeing, wildlife safari, etc. are some sports made available by some private organizations to attract adventure lovers. Fairs and festival. Ashadi Ekadashi. It is also referred to as Vari, a pilgrimage to which people from all over Maharashtra, Karnataka and other parts of India walk to Pandharpur from their respective villages. Ganesh Chaturthi. It is celebrated in grand manner with Ganesh idols made of sadhu clay specially brought from Raigad district. The festival lasts for 10 days and falls in the month of September. Large processions carrying Ganesha idols move towards the sea and drown the idols at the end of the celebration. Mahashivaratri. Devotees of Lord Shiva celebrate Shivaratri following Virada and with utmost bhakti towards Lord Shiva. Gokulashtami. This festival commemorates the birth of Lord Krishna. People call this as Janmashtami or Krishna Jayanti. Special kinds of sweets and snack items are prepared at home and laid at the feet of Lord Krishna. People draw foot marks of the baby Lord Krishna and believe that Krishna himself has entered their homes to pick laddus and butter to eat. Diwali. It is the most auspicious day for Hindus. This is the day when Narakasura, a demon terrorizing people, have been killed by Lord Krishna. Diwali is celebrated in a grand manner. People wear new clothes and burst crackers and express their joy. Vijayadashmi, Holi, Ramzan, Navratri and Christmas are other festivals celebrated by Marathis. Art and craft. Maharashtra is a state where a number of fine artisans are known to have flourished years together. Their art talents have been inherited by their children and it has become unique to the state over the years. The fine fabrics of mushru and himru are high level of weaving art which makes the fabrics glow like gold. Paithani and Narayanpet saris are famous in the state. Kolhapur is famous for handmade leather chappals. Kolhapur Saj is an ancient form of jewelry famous all over the world. Varli painting is a tribal art done on mud walls by the women folk of the Varli tribe. Notable personalities. This is a list of famous and notable people from Maharashtra. However, a brief list is given here. Business and industry. Vikram Pandit, City Group CEO. Rajendra Pawar, NIIT. SL Kirloskar Group. Actresses: Isha Kopikar, Madhuri Dixit, Mamta Kulkarni, Shilpa Shirodkar, Sonali Bendre, Urmila Matondkar. Music: Asha Bhonsle, Vasantrao Deshpande, Lata Mangeshkar, Usha Mangeshkar, Anuradha Poduwal, Sadhana Sargam, Rahul Vaidya. Politics: B.R. Ambedkar drafted the Constitution of India. Bala Saheb Desai. Bala Saheb Thackeray, founder and chief of the Shiv Sena. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Indian National Congress. Manohar Joshi, Shiv Sena. Pramod Mahajan, BJP. Prithviraj Chavan, Raj Thackeray, Sharad Pawar, NCP. Social activists: Baba Amte, social worker, activists. Banu Jahangir Khoyaji, doctor. Anna Hazare, Vinoba Bhave, Chandrasekhar Dharmadhikari, social worker. Scientists: Vijay Bhatkar, Anil Kakodkar, Madhav Ghadgil, Raghunath Anand, Mashelkar, Jayant Narilikar, Shekhar C. Mande, Chandrasekhar Khare. Sports: cricket, kabaddi, hockey, badminton, table tennis are the popular sports in Maharashtra. Maharashtra has produced many iconic cricketers to India like Sachin Tendulkar and Sunil Gavaskar. Some notable hockey stars from Maharashtra include Dhanraj Pillai, Viren Raskhina. Mumbai Cricket Association, which has established its home ground, the Wankhede Stadium, an international cricket ground. Maharashtra football team was 4 times champion and 11 times runner-up in Santosh Trophy. Mumbai holds Derby races at the Mahalakshmi Racecourse every year. Mumbai has played host to the Kingfisher Airlines Tennis Open, an international series tournament of the ATP World Tour in 2006 and 2007. Wrestling is a very popular sport of Maharashtra. In Marathi, wrestling is referred to as Kusti, a similar sport played on soil dirt. The Maharashtra Chess League, the first ever IPL style chess league in India at the PYC Hindu Gymkhana Club in Pune, was held on April 24, 2013. Unique features: Maharashtra is the wealthiest state in the country. The state contributes more than any other state to the national GDP. The state is aptly referred to as the industrial hub of many of the national and international companies. Marathi people take a pride in holding the citizenship of the state with regards to their historical hero Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja. Mumbai is a city where every drop of sweat due to hard work and clever brains turn into gold. There are plenty of tourist spots in Maharashtra. Many of the foreign tourists start touring all over India with their backpacks starting from Mumbai. Mumbai, Pune, Nasik, Nanded, Satara and Aurangabad are the notable cities in the state of Maharashtra. So far, we have seen some salient features of geography of the state. There are a lot more things to be studied about this state. We will see them in future modules. Thank you.